Most used car buyers think they're saving money. Then the repair bills start. Some of these vehicles look like incredible bargains at 100,000 miles. Then the transmission fails and the engine starts burning oil, or a repair bill shows up that's bigger than the vehicle's value. One SUV on this list became infamous for engine problems. Another turned luxury ownership into a financial nightmare. And the number one vehicle looks like a premium bargain right up until it starts draining your bank account. Let's get into it. That's number 8, Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade checks all the right boxes. Jeep badge, available four-wheel drive, affordable used prices, compact size. That's exactly why so many buyers convince themselves it's a smart purchase. Then the little problems begin. A sensor fails. A warning light appears. The infotainment system glitches. Another trip to the repair shop. Then another. Then another. The biggest problem usually isn't one catastrophic repair, it's the constant stream of smaller issues, the kind that slowly empties your wallet and tests your patience. Many owners report electrical problems, sensor failures, and recurring reliability concerns. The Renegade isn't guaranteed to become a money pit, but enough owners have learned that cheap to buy doesn't always mean cheap to own. And the next vehicle can become much more expensive if you miss one critical warning sign. Number 7, Chevrolet Equinox 2.4. The Chevrolet Equinox looks like the definition of a practical family SUV. Comfortable, affordable, easy to find. That's why so many buyers assume it's a safe choice. For some owners, it was. For others, it became an expensive lesson. Certain 2.4-litre models developed a reputation for excessive oil consumption. And we're not talking about adding a little oil between changes. Some owners found themselves checking oil levels constantly. Ignore the problem long enough, and serious engine damage could follow. Timing chain concerns only added to the frustration. What makes this especially painful is that people bought the Equinox expecting reliability. Instead, some found themselves facing repair bills they never saw coming. And the next vehicle became one of the most notorious transmission stories of the past decade. Number 6, Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima became popular for a simple reason. It's comfortable, affordable, fuel efficient, and available almost everywhere. The problem is what happens when the CVT starts developing issues. For years, Nissan's continuously variable transmission generated complaints involving hesitation, shuddering, slipping, and premature failures. Transmission repairs are rarely cheap, and when estimates start reaching several $1,000s, many owners begin questioning whether the car is even worth fixing. That's when affordable transportation suddenly becomes expensive transportation. But we're just getting started, because the next two vehicles can produce repair bills that make transmission repairs look reasonable. Number 5, Ford Escape 1.5 EcoBoost. The Ford Escape should have been an easy recommendation. Practical, comfortable, fuel efficient, and easy to find. Unfortunately, some 1.5-litre EcoBoost models developed a reputation for a problem no owner wants to hear about: coolant intrusion. In certain cases, coolant could leak into the engine's cylinders. That might sound technical, until you hear the repair estimate. Owners who thought they were dealing with a minor issue sometimes found themselves facing major engine repairs, or even complete engine replacement. Imagine buying a used SUV because it seemed like a bargain, then learning the engine itself may need thousands of dollars in work. That's exactly why this issue spread so quickly among owners. Not every Escape develops the problem, but enough did to make it one of the most talked about engine concerns in the used SUV market. And now we get to one of the cheapest three-row SUVs ever sold. Now, the next vehicle is where things get really expensive. Number 4, Dodge Journey. For years, the Dodge Journey attracted buyers with one thing: price. It was often one of the cheapest three-row SUVs on the market. Families saw the space, the low payment, the practical design, and thought they found a bargain. Unfortunately, many owners later discovered why it was so affordable: electrical issues, cooling system problems, suspension repairs, and ongoing reliability concerns. The Journey's biggest problem wasn't always one catastrophic breakdown. It was the feeling that something else was always waiting. One repair ends, another begins. A cheap vehicle only saves money if it stays out of the repair shop. For many owners, the Journey struggled to do that. We're down to the top 3. And these vehicles didn't just disappoint owners, they became warning labels. Number 3, Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot looked like an affordable SUV bargain. It carried the Jeep badge. It had SUV styling. And it often cost thousands less than competitors. Unfortunately, many owners eventually discovered why. The Patriot developed a reputation for transmission issues, suspension problems, electrical concerns, and overall quality that lagged behind much of the competition. The biggest issue wasn't always one major failure. It was the feeling that something always needed attention. One repair becomes another, then another, then another. And suddenly the low purchase price doesn't feel like much of a bargain anymore. This is what separates a cheap vehicle from a cheap ownership experience. The Patriot was often cheap to buy, but not always cheap to own. And the next vehicle is the luxury car trap thousands of buyers fall into every year. Number 2, Range Rover Sport. This is the classic luxury bargain that isn't actually a bargain. A vehicle that once cost well over $70,000 eventually becomes affordable to buyers shopping with a much smaller budget. That's where the trouble starts. The purchase price drops, the repair costs don't. Air suspension failures, electrical problems, cooling system repairs, complex luxury systems, and labor costs that can shock first-time owners. Many buyers think they're getting a luxury SUV at a discount. Some eventually realize they're getting luxury repair bills attached to a discounted purchase price. The Range Rover Sport can be a fantastic vehicle when everything works. The problem is what happens when it doesn't. And now we arrive at the vehicle that may be the biggest money pit on this entire list. Number 1, Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee sells in huge numbers, and that's exactly what makes this so surprising. Many owners love them, but when things go wrong, they can become incredibly expensive. Air suspension failures, electrical gremlins, transfer case problems, cooling system repairs, and expensive drivetrain repairs. What makes the Grand Cherokee especially dangerous is that it often feels like a premium SUV without a premium price. Buyers see luxury features, strong styling, comfortable interiors, and attractive used prices. What they don't always see are the ownership costs waiting down the road. For some owners, the vehicle delivers years of reliable service. For others, it becomes a constant source of repair bills and frustration. That's why the Jeep Grand Cherokee takes the number 1 spot. The most expensive vehicle you'll ever own isn't always the one with the highest purchase price after you've already paid for it. That's what makes money pits so dangerous. The problems don't show up during the test drive. They don't show up in the sales pitch. They show up months later when the repair bills start arriving. Now watch our video on the cars mechanics secretly recommend, because avoiding the wrong vehicle is only half the battle. Finding the right one could save you thousands. If you want more like this, subscribe and watch this next.